How to remove specific substrings from a set of strings in Python? I have a set of strings and all the strings have one of two specific substrings which I want to remove. I want the .good and .bad substrings removed from all the strings. I tried this, but it doesn't seem to work. Set1 stays exactly the same. I tried using for x in list set1 instead, but that doesn't change anything.
Strings are immutable. str.replace creates a new string. This is stated in the documentation. str.replace old, new, count return a copy of the string with all occurrences of substring old replaced by new. This means you have to reallocate the set or repopulate it. Reallocating is easier with a set comprehension. PS, if you want to change the prefix or suffix of a string and you're using Python 3.9 or newer, use str.remove prefix or str.remove a suffix instead.
.replace doesn't change the string, it returns a copy of the string with the replacement. You can't change the string directly because strings are mutable. You need to take the return values from x.replace and put them in a new set.
In Python 3.9+ you could remove the suffix using str.remove a suffix suffix from the docs. If the string ends with the suffix string and that suffix is not empty, return string, len suffix. Otherwise, return a copy of the original string. So you can either create a new empty set and add each element without the suffix to it, or create the new set using a set comprehension. Output.
All you need is a bit of black magic.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.